Okay, so here's the answer to the power strategy 1 trade on the previous page. So let's look at the chart. So the first thing we want to do now is identify the trade. Now, if we look at this trade, we've got prices all trending up. So chances are we're going to be looking for a long trade here. So I want you to pause the video and look for the trade. So did you find it? Now remember, we've also got all the MAs trending up as well. So it's just double confirmation that we really want to be looking for a long trade. So the ABCD that we want to be trading is this one here. So we've got C to D as an up move, so it is a long trade that we're going to be taking. So where are we going to be entering this trade? Of course, it's going to be the 25% mark, the 25% of A to B from point C going up. As soon as that price is hit, we will be entering into the market for a long, so we're going to be buying. Now, where are we going to place our stop? Now, because this is a long trade, we're going to be placing our stop for this strategy 1 trade under point C. And our break-even price? Well, our break-even price is going to be the 50% mark, which is as indicated. And that is a 50% move from point C of the move of A to B. So we take the length of A to B. So the price at B minus the price at A, we take 50% of that and we look at what that price would be from point C going up, that many pips. And at that price, we are going to move our stop. When price reaches that point, we are going to move our stop to the entry price. So the stop moves up to the entry price. So now we are at break even. And if price comes back down, we are not going to lose any money. What about our exit? Well, our exit, as with all strategy 1 trades, is at point D. So we're going to be selling there because we bought before. So as you can see, when price touches point D, that price, we exit the market. And our risk reward, again, we've got a 75% reward from entry to exit, and we've got a 25% from entry to stop. So naturally that makes our risk reward 3-to-1, which is a set thing with all strategy 1 trades. So that was that example there. So I hope you got that right. Let's move on to the next page where we'll go through another example.